run away to the walls inside your house. And I can be the cat, baby, you can be the mouse. And we can laugh off things that we know nothing about. I hate the end of that song. I like the whole song except for the end. What's another good song? Oh, this is...
Are you ready to level up? At the University of Arizona Global Campus,
I went there and I walked across the stage, y'all. I did. That's why I went to Arizona. It was awesome. Oh my god. That water is so good. Keep the comments PG. You look beautiful would suffice. Hold on, I have a good one that we're gonna do. And it has rap and everything. I'm excited. I remember I used to do this song all the time and I had like a flashback. Have you guys ever had a flashback before? before if you have put a 1 in the chat if you literally like had a flashback of something happening and you're like, oh my god, I have not done that in so long.
Taco Bell's new $3 melty pepper jack steak burrito. Luxuriate in premium grilled steak and new pepper jack sauce.
I actually really don't like Taylor Swift that much. I know like 4 of her songs.
With 10 items, each just $3 or less. Only at Taco Bell.
When I was in kindergarten, though, I was definitely a Swiftie, okay? Couldn't tell me shit about her. I love Swift. I used to see the Swift trucks when we were growing up, and I get so excited. I was like, Taylor Swift's dad! Yeah. I was one of the kids that started that. That's awesome. It's great to have somebody to look up to. This is another Taylor Swift song. Cause baby, now we got bad blood. You know we used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. And baby, now we got bad blood. Now we got... Oh, I forgot. This is the one where it has Kendrick Lamar. Hold on. We're about to start. We're about to have an actual concert right now. Okay. Hold on, guys. We about to have a real concert up in this bitch. Okay. We about to have a real ass concert. You guys ready?